look inside the transmission gate and all gates. So this is the code for my transmission gate, okay, and this is the code for my test bench. Alright, and this will be my constants file, okay. Alright, so now we'll get inside the simulation folder and simulate this. So right click, open in terminal, I'll give the iron command wherein I'll just change the name of the file, that is T-gate, and I'll just change the name of over here. So we will send this to the waveform. Click on the play button. The logic of a transmission gate was taught in your 6th VLSI, wherein you have got a transmission gate logic, that is parallel connection of PMOS and NMOS, and there was a select line C bar. So depending on the status of C, either you will get an output or you will get high impedance. So put a marker over here and just check. So that confirms our theory. So functional simulation is done. Next is synthesis. So since we have already written the constants file, so we will get inside the work folder, right click, open in terminal, we'll give the command Genus legacy UI. Next we will be setting the attribute. So we'll type the command set underscore attr space lib underscore search underscore path space double dot slash library. Next is setting the HDL path. So I'll give the proper command for that. So now next is attaching the kind of library. So set attr library space slow underscore high vt dot lib. Alright, now next we will tell the compiler to read the code. So read underscore hdl space file name was tgate dot v. Next we'll ask it to elaborate. Alright, so now we will give report commands, report timing. So we've got that. Next is report area. Next is power. Okay, then we will ask it to read the SDC file. Then we will ask it to synthesize. Again we'll give the report timing, area and power. So these are the values. Now the question is why I didn't repeat the values while getting the reports, because basically we did the same thing. If you look inside the logic of a transmission gate, it's nothing but a tri-state buffer, and we have already implemented tri-state buffer in a different way. So the same thing. Alright, next is our OR gates.